Restaurant easy.
Hi, Schatzi. You can greet our audience.
Greet the audience. Ich hoffe, sieht verdammt gut aus. Dankeschön. Danke. Wir müssen euch schon entscheiden, ob vorwärts oder rückwärts.
She's stuck.
Eine fährt rückwärts, der andere fährt super schlecht.
Hi guys. We are now at the countryside of Germany. And my Schatzi Putzi will tell you where we are exactly.
Okay, we are in Spreewald. That is like a delta of our main river Spree. It goes all the way to Berlin, through Berlin. And we are in the little town of Lübben.
Wow.
Where we are planning to do a boat tour. We'll walk around. We have a look at the old city of Libben. Yeah, you will see it in any case because this woman is doing like all the time movies and pictures. She doesn't see actually anything of that what we're doing because she's like looking into this GoPro all the time. So it's just the way it is. So we know.
But before we met, what did I say?
You said I'm an influencer. You take it or leave it.
But anyhow guys, at least I'm showing you the different parts of Germany, not just the city area but also in the countryside, plus the tourist spots in the countryside. So it's not always buildings, sometimes it's nature, and now there's this really freaking beautiful place that he has decided for this holiday. What is it? It's a
Christian holiday. It's a Christian holiday.
Can you make it louder?
It's a Christian holiday. It is what it's called like Christi Himmelfahrt. That means like Christ is going to heaven. And
Christ is going to heaven. Christ is
going
risen.
to heaven.
Okay.
Today.
Okay.
Christi Himmelfahrt.
Okay.
So it's also Herrentag. That means like Father Day, you know. So we honor the fathers on this day as well. It's like all mixed up. So it's a public holiday, so people go out, and especially men are meeting with friends, and they're like.
So anyhow, yeah, I'm enjoying the day, and I will show you more. So you can see the action in the background. What did you do?
Nothing.
You are like mocking me.
No.
So anyhow, this is our first stop. As usual, we are a lover of this drink.
Yeah, okay.
And he also said when we were traveling that Germany is a beer country. So, yeah.
Beautiful. We make
Rechts haben wir wieder zwei Durchgänge zur anderen Seite. Mit dem Gebäude unserem Laden und zwei treuen Titel. Wer nochmal zum Schluss ist, möchte einfach geradeaus weiterlaufen. Und dann auf Wasserspielen.
we see on people using boats, starting boats. Young people, they do their self.
There is a tourist. I think he is a tourist guide too. Huh? He's speaking
A little bit.
a little bit.
But we can do that because it's a thing to do in Spreewald. To go on a boat like this.
This table is a perfect spot, huh?
But I'm doing what I can
Really?
for my influencer. Take it or leave it. Mal drüben, also okay. So, was ist die Fahrt? Ist 15 Euro oder was?
16 Euro, erwachsene Kinder unter 12.
Und der Schnaps ist inklusive oder?
Ach, alles inklusive.
Hä?
Alles inklusive.
Wow. Die Blumen auch, die darf ich danach mitnehmen?
Ich komme nur noch, um die Sachen abzutragen.
Today it's Christi Himmelfahrt, but it's also called Herrentag. It's a day off for fathers or men.
And
So they're
just-
celebrating it in like meeting together with friends and go on boats or parks or bicycles and take a lot of beer with. And then they get pissed on water in parks, bicycles, doesn't matter.
But they have started already from the Hauptbahnhof. They are
some of them already start like coming from home. So yeah, at 2 o'clock they're completely wrecked already.
My Schatzi Putzi wants me to sit down, and I said no, no, no. I want to stand up because I'm overwhelmed with the so much action behind us. So what can you say about it? That I don't like to sit down. You are yawning, and you are on the video yawning.
Yeah, we just spoke a lot, so why must I speak again?
Sarcasm overload.
I'm not like
So he said he's not an
into
influencer.
the video mood today.
He's not into video
we have
mood
more-
today.
On this trip today you have more photos.
So guys, he said, he suggested that we do the kayak, and I said no, I don't like, because I cannot video because we will paddle. He said it's not all the time that I am obliged to paddle, so I can still video in between. And he also suggested for me to use the canoe. So they're stuck there. Why are they stuck there? Look. Tell me.
Because it's a small entrance under the bridge. As you can see, you can't go through there,
So there's a traffic there.
there's a traffic jam.
So many people there coming. I think this is in group that you are talking about, because they're talking to each other. if we are in a beautiful place, I avoid talking too much because I don't like to ruin the experience, and you know, the place is more beautiful than my face. What are you eating?
Bingo!
So if we take the big boat, this is where we start, right? Look, look, people are queuing.
Yeah.
So the snaps are not included, right?
No.
You pay for the snaps.
No.
So I'm only kidding that it's the most favorite boat because it's so busy, so many people are queuing, and there wait for me. Yep. It is cooperating with my outfit that I'm not getting cold. So Schatzi Putzi, what is your decision? We take this big boat, next boat or kayak?
What do you want to do?
It's up to you, you're the boss.
You're my princess.
That is so funny.
Hi.
Der andere Hippie kommt gleich.
Der Fahrsee.
So we're queuing for the next boat. And I'm happy that we will be
The first ones
so we will get the front seats.
covering anyone else.
You call it sheer luck. Guys, this is the boat that we are awaiting, and finally there's a chance that we will be at the front seat. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey. It's a beautiful one.
Mein Gott. Das letzte Mal, dass ich auf diesem Boot war, war das hier noch DDR.
Zwei, aber hinten 5. Gut, kriegen wir hin. Ihr nach vorne,
Ja.
ihr seid 5.
Wow, we will be in front. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey. Hold me.
You can.
So only two here?
Yeah. I don't know who else should sit here. Fat.
So guys, we're at the front seat. Yeah, hey, yeah, hey. So guys, we're going to check what's inside of this box. So it's all snaps. So I wonder how much it is. 50 cents?
I have no idea. No.
Can you check?
Nothing in this world is
Can
50
you-
cents.
Yeah, I
anymore.
know, but you can ask them.
He will tell us.
He will tell us. So that's another boat passing.
Ganz kurz Getränke. Ihr habt euch Getränke alle mitgebracht, ja? Wenn noch was haben möchtet von mir, ich habe was dabei. Ich habe Bier, ich habe Radler, ich habe Sekt.
Vollmäßig, das ist vielleicht ein bisschen langweilig, oder wir machen es so, dass ihr halt Sonntag mit uns zurückfahrt und dann quasi bei uns übernachtet und am Montag fahrt. Also du kannst dir das aussuchen. Wie du es planst, ob du 2 Nächte bei Leon und eine Nacht bei mir oder umgekehrt oder was auch immer.
Höhe, die schmale Stelle. Hier im Trip ist das wegen der
Rina fahren. Ich meine, klar, du kannst auch von Rina zurückfahren, das geht natürlich auch. Warum nicht? Dann bist du ja schon dann auf dem Ring. Genau, guck dir mal alles an, mach mal.
So how many minutes is this journey?
1.5 hours.
Oh, this is long. What is he doing there? He's doing a sunbathing. So here we are, guys. We did not let the day pass without taking this action. So we're in the boat now. Schatzi.
Yes, we are in the boat now.
And you know, guys, we are so lucky. So I call it sheer luck. Because we were waiting for the previous boat. We thought that we will be in there, but it was full. And now we are at the front seat. So you never know when you are lucky. So now there is no distortion, or there's no obstruction in front of me.
And I was thinking I used all my luck off when I met Ruby. But not. I'm so lucky.
This is totally okay. Charge to experience.
Yeah, that's why I'm doing it. Because
To see the difference.
When you have to here, you have to go on a boat trip like this. It's like tradition. But when you have done it once, then
So many bridges, huh?
of course, when you have a lot of water, you need bridges. A soft toning glass.
What is the action here? They're swimming.
They're not swimming, it's more like
There.
playing around.
Playing around.
It's like a children playground. It's also called water playground.
Look at him. He's waving his hand. The paddle is so colorful. Germany is very good in preserving nature. That is something that I admire.
We destroyed our country like 100 years ago, so sometimes they started to like realize it's not such a good idea, so they started to preserve. We are just a little bit more ahead than other people, that's all. But we haven't been like all the time as good. Beautiful, yeah. It's like
They're having a party.
fancy game like this. It's a
It's
sauna.
just
Yeah,
like a
look at-
sauna of.
Yeah. Little one. It's as big like by Nikki, but
Nikki is bigger.
there must be holiday places here.
I'm now finished with my beer. What is this?
You can eat here something.
We can have a break here?
No, you stay on the boat.
We stay in the boat. I don't like to eat yet.
Bockwurst,
No.
gute Getränke.
Are you hungry? I'm not.
No, I want
There. This is a 1 hour and 30 minutes journey, guys. This is a stop by in a resto. We can use the toilet or eat something, but I'm not hungry yet. But I will show you the place.
Not everyone can as well. I did this with Wanda in Namibia. Not kayak or canoe. No kayak. What kayak?
The kid was doing it alone, huh? Oh God, I can't
In
believe.
the middle of. I mean, you can't walk here. Or like you walk here with ground. So you can't really walk there. It's the only way to see it. To go on the
You know, it would be nice if like somewhere over there you have a house. Every day. No.
Just like, meet the nature world.
It's a total nature reserve area. So beautiful.
Schöner Hut, wa? Schöner Hut. Schöner Hut. Ja.
We're already towards the end of our journey, and here we are.
So you know where we are. You know where we are.
I think this is the opposite side of the restaurant.
Yes.
We went
No, not really. We are on the side of the restaurant.
on the side. Okay.
also holiday trips here. Quite nice ones actually.
Yeah, nice one.
So background.
We can stay here in the summer. You can check. You can check. Yeah, right. This is the side where we were the first time. So we dock here. So nice. Very good timing. Then I will run. The women in hijab. So yan yung restaurant na pinagmulan namin, guys. Diyan kami unang uminom ng aming unang drinks. And ito rin yung lugar na aming bababaan. So there, I will show you the place. So yan, ito yung portion na hindi ko kanina na video because nandyan kami. But now that we are in the boat, it's easy to film them.
Ein Backfisch, einmal eine Bratwurst.
So we're now having a bratwurst and a hummus on it, and Schatzi Putzi is having a backfish. So you like it? Can I have a little bit of a taste of it?
No.
I'm not so interested about it, but I can have a little bit, a piece of it. I guess so. So here we are having our lunch. So now we're having an ice cream. I don't know which Schatzi Putzi. He said he doesn't like it, but I want it. They're queuing. So there are 3 choices. Either vanilla, choco vanilla, or chocolate. So I'm having chocolate vanilla. So what have you found out, Schatzi?
Nothing, baby. Nothing much more happening in Lübben. I think. Can go hier Spreekahn fahren. Go all the way through the sea. Maybe you should come here with a motorbike.